Hey everyone, Kushal here from Skillshetra. Welcome back to the Hacker101 CTF walkthrough series. This is video 17, Oauthbreaker. Today I'll show how to extract two flags by decompiling an APK using online Java decompiler tools and reproducing small requests with an online Java compiler or just a browser. If you enjoy deep CTF breakdowns, hit like and subscribe. Let's dive in. Start the challenge. After a short wait, the page gives an APK download link. Click and save the APK to your machine. If the link doesn't show immediately, keep the browser's network tab open to catch it. Open your online Java decompiler site, upload the APK, wait for it to decompile, then download the decompiled sources. Most online decompilers produce two folders, resources and sources. Open sources and search for mainactivity.java. Open mainactivity.java. Look for the onClick method. The app forms a URL that downloads a file, an APK, by passing parameters. The key: that HTTP response contains a flag in plain HTML. Instead of running the app, we reproduce the same request. Copy the constructed URL from the code, paste it into your browser or run a curl request. That's flag 1, exposed because the endpoint returns HTML containing the flag. Now open web app interface.java. There's a getFlagPath function that builds or returns a file name used by the web view. The app usually computes a file name, like a bc123.html, and the web view requests that path, which contains the flag. You can either A. Copy the file name logic and run it in an online Java compiler /repl, or B. If the function result is trivially visible, reconstruct the file name manually and append it to the base challenge URL. Now open URL constructed in your browser. The page returns HTML with the second flag. That's Oauthbreaker, a clean example of how reading client-side code, even via an online decompiler, reveals server behavior. If you want, I'll upload the exact decompiled snippets and the tiny demo code to the repo. Tell me in the comments. Smash like if this helped. Subscribe for more Hacker101 walkthroughs, and I'll catch you in walkthrough number 18. Stay ethical, stay curious.